Hello guys, so today we are here in Chania in Crete, which is super amazing to spend my day off here. So today we're actually gonna take out the iPhone 13 Pro, which I've had now for a little bit more than a year actually. So we're gonna see the potential of this phone in a filmmaking world, because after a year this phone still impresses me daily. Because maybe you don't need your biggest camera the first thing you do. Just start out with your phone. So we're gonna see the basics, how to make a really cool video with your phone with no special gadgets at all. It's just all handheld, and the stabilization of this phone is crazy good. Just one thing before we actually start the video itself. I'm not sponsored by Apple or anything like that. I just want to show you a really cool comparison, how cool it can be to record with a phone. So as you can see, like recording with a phone like this can be really cool to have in the beginning or as an extra gadget in your filmmaking arsenal, because you can make so much cooler stuff and you can come really close and personal to some things, which is super cool. And the fact that this one shoots in 4K and 60 FPS, it's super nice. And you can even go up to 120 and 240 FPS in 180p, which is super cool if you really need to slow down something really much. I really enjoy doing this review of a phone, how it can record in certain situations. As you can see, also the image quality is really nice. If you do zoom in a lot, you can see the distortion of the compressed footage that is from the iPhones, which is the difference, or like the big difference between a bigger DSLR camera and other cinematic cameras and using your phone. But if you are using like this as your beginning stuff, it's gonna work, and you can actually get high deal clients with just a phone. It's just maybe harder to get those clients if you don't have proof of like your material is super good. So is there a phone that you want me to review next time? Maybe I have it and then I will actually make a video about it, and that's gonna be super cool. So see you guys next time. Hope you have a good week. Bye.